Note, this is not a comedy skit. People in this video are not subject to mockery or caricature. Be warned.
There are 5 major candidates aspiring to be the #1 citizen of this country. We have Atiku, we have Tinubu, we have Peter Obi, we have Sowore, we have Kwankwaso. And you say you are from Kaduna. Who are you choosing? And why?
I have to go for Atiku.
Why?
Because Atiku have been contesting for the past 4 or 5 years ago. And if you should say that, I should say for Tinubu, Tinubu is not the right man for this country. Because we have been saying, say Baba, say Baba, say Baba, say Baba. Is it the time for us to say Kaka again? Because Tinubu is an old man.
So Atiku dey young.
Atiku has, let me say, he has the experience of being in that place.
Okay, wait. Let me ask you a question. Is politics, or is the politics by compensation or competition?
Yeah, it's all about...
Because your question now is telling me that you want to compensate a man because he has been contesting and contesting.
It's not competition or compensation.
It's not competition
or compensation. But we need the right man that will lead us to the promised land.
So you think now, like I asked somebody before now, you think Atiku can lead you to promised land?
Sure, because by main sin, Atiku is the right man because he has a passion to lead this country to a better place. Atiku is a man that can make this country grow.
Let me ask you a question. Very simple, and maybe you don't understand me. Take the issue of electricity. Nigeria is clamoring for steady power. And me and you, we agree that Atiku owns Mekano. Do you think that Atiku will kill his business of Mekano to give you steady light? Who are you choosing?
I'm going with Peter Obi for now.
Why to Peter Obi?
Because I think he's young and he's very, very intelligent. And back then, he did very well when he was governor of Anambra State.
That's all?
Yeah, I think that's just all.
Okay. Have you gotten your PVC?
Because I don't know much about him, quite all right. But the little I know, I think that's very, very good. Yeah, I've gotten my PVC. I did it about 2 weeks back at is it Eagle Square? What did they call it?
Okay, Old Parade Ground.
Old Parade Ground, exactly.
Okay. Why do you choose Peter Obi?
Because he's truthful. He's really good. I'm sure he'll be the best person to handle the country.
I don't just understand you. He's truthful.
Everything he says are facts about life. He doesn't go beating around the bush or saying things that he can't do. Because I'm so sure of him. What he has done in his state and what he has done for the entire youth of Nigeria shows clearly that he can handle the country better.
So you have gotten your PVC?
Yeah, I'm a piece.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Yeah. Who are you choosing for this presidential election? Who is your candidate?
Atiku.
Atiku. Why are you choosing Atiku? Why did you choose Atiku?
I prefer him.
No, I didn't. Everybody that choose, if you choose me, you prefer me. But why did you prefer me? Why did you choose me? Why did you choose Atiku? I'm not asking you a question to ridicule you or mock Atiku.
Yeah.
We need to know why people do what they do. There's nothing like I don't know the reason. There's always a reason why you do what you do. So you must tell Nigerians why you should choose someone or why we should vote someone. That's what we're trying to do. So if you tell me it's Atiku, why do you want me to follow you choose Atiku? Why do you think Atiku is better?
Anyway, the question is hard to say, but I think that Atiku with this man, what is his name again?
Is he his deputy?
Tinubu, something like that. For me to choose Tinubu or any other person, it's better I choose Atiku.
So why didn't you choose Peter Obi?
Peter Obi. I don't know about him.
You don't know about him. So you are the Nigerians that want to vote without asking questions who are contesting. Do you understand me?
Yes.
You want to go to Aba, assuming, but you didn't go to park to ask the motor that can carry you to Aba. You just go. You should ask questions, who are those contesting, and find out who they are. Okay. No, even the Atiku you choose, you don't even know Atiku. You don't even know why you are choosing him. Just because you hear a name Atiku, you just say na him be the best. You should ask questions, because now you can choose the devil thinking you, yeah.
Correct, you're right.
Do you get what I mean?
Yes.
You might be choosing the devil. Tinubu might even be better than Atiku you are thinking about.
That's correct.
So you need to find out, why are you choosing Atiku? Why do you choose Tinubu? Who is the another person there? There's Kwankwaso, there's Sowore, there's Opito Obi. So why didn't you know those ones? This is why I'm on the street, so that you can make a choice.
Correct.
Do you know what I mean?
Yes.
Good morning.
Morning.
Who are you choosing?
Peter Obi.
Why?
He has the solution. He understands our problem, and he has the solution to the problem.
That's all?
That's all. He understands our problem, and he has the solution to our problems.
Okay.